Jinan SUDIAO CNC Router Company Limited, established in 2007, is the approved and registered private enterprise by Jinan City Industry and Commercial Bureau. Our company has collected the researched, designed, developed, produced the automatic marked sign ring drills, cutting center, customized wardrobe intelligent drilling machine, 6-side drilling CNC router, panel saw machine, cabinet intelligent connection lines, wardrobe pressure board connection, multiple 6-side drilling machine connection, production processing planing and designing, solid wood assemble center, etc., specialized manufacture company. We plan to develop whole house custom intelligent unmanned production line and implemented it on the ground. In 2017, the project Made in China 2025 was delivered to China Science and Technology Museum. We always insist base upon customers' benefit, maximizing their value. At present, our company set the domestic industry of leading level in panel furniture lines, drilling machine, 6-side drilling machine. The products are all over the country and occupy to one's space of person in the country competition. On this basis and under the background of current panel furniture upgrading manufacturing, the company has carried out automatic and semi-automatic production process planning and design projects in 18 years, such as the connection of multiple cutting machines, the connection lines of multiple 6-side drills machine, the intelligent connection lines of the whole cabinet procession, and the wiring of molded door panels of closets. In the next 2 to 3 years, the company is committed to providing stable and practical solutions for automation applications in the woodworking industry.